In this video, I will show how to use the Engrams and Word Co-Occurrences Viewer. This GUI provides functions for viewing engrams and co-occurrences statistics for your corpus. The Engram Viewer tells you the frequency of engrams words across all documents in your corpus. The Co-Occurrences Viewer, instead, tells you the frequency of documents where the searched words appear at once in the same document. I will use the newspaper article corpus distributed with the NLP suite as an example in this video. Now, if you want to do engram search, click on Engrams Viewer. Keep in mind that the Engrams Viewer only takes files with dates embedded in the file name. If your files do not have dates in the file name, you won't be able to run the engram search. The newspaper article corpus has dates in the format of month, day, and year. In the next line, you will be able to enter any engrams that you are interested in learning in the corpus. In this example, I am going to type in the family, which is a 3-gram. The date option allows you to aggregate the files by groups of year, quarter, or month. I will select month for the newspaper article example. The next line provides some options on viewing your searched words. Case-sensitive and exact match options are defaults for the viewer. If you want to change the options, click on Reset first, and then go to the drop-down menu for selecting alternative options such as case-insensitive and partial match. I am going to leave the defaults for the viewer options for this corpus. Now, I will click on Run, and the algorithm will return a chart and a CSV file. Let's take a look at the output chart, which allows for visualizing the frequency of my 3 grams by month from January of 2015 to December of 2016. The chart shows that the 3 grams in the family appeared twice in only February of 2015 and nowhere else. The CSV file gives the results in the data form. The first column lists the selected date format. The second and the third columns list the year and month respectively. The last column gives the frequencies of my 3 grams. Now let's go back to the GUI. If your files do not have dates in the file name, you can run the Co-Occurrences Viewer instead to get the frequency of documents that contain your searched words. In the next line, you can enter any single word or set of words for search. For example, I will enter family and children. They should be separated by comma. The date option is required for engram search and optional for Co-Occurrences Viewer. I will skip the date option for the Co-Occurrences search. For the viewer options, I wanted to select case-insensitive and lemmatized words. I will reset the options first, and then choose case-insensitive from the drop-down menu. Click on the plus button to add another option, lemmatized words. Now I will click on Run, and the algorithm will return some charts and CSV files. Let's look at one of the charts, which shows the frequency distribution of co-occurring words. We can tell from the figure that family and children did not co-occur in 4 documents and did co-occur in 2 documents. Here's an output CSV file from the co-occurrences algorithm. The first column gives the words that I searched for. family, and children. The second column tells whether or not the words co-occurred in each document. Also, the output gives information about document ID and path. For more help information about the Ngrams and word co-occurrences viewer, please check the tips files offered in the bottom of the GUI. I hope that the video made clear how to use the Ngrams and word co-occurrences viewer in the NLP suite.